Now the way it's been set up is I'm trying to get some gameplay going on with it. So I have two of these guys. Now one of them goes and tries to it was much better a minute back. So one of them tries to go and bash up the other one. That guy turns around and he says, okay fine, why did you shove me? So why did you shove me is doing a decent job. And now it seems to be much better. But you just have to reposition the phone to get it into a perfect this thing, or of course reposition the cards. So repositioning the cards may also work. Like this looks much more realistic, wherein he also steps onto his card and his image, and yes, those images need to change and we need to get some sound into it. The motion is quite realistic right now, and I need to scale them up, so that they both are actually let me try and bring him closer. Yeah, so I've picked up that card and the trick is either to give a UI button or something which will basically end up giving the user some control, which obviously has to be done. If it has to be a proper game, then that has to be done. But right now let's see if I can just maybe step away from that card or move away from that card a little and then get it back in at just the right time. If he starts punching him at just the right time, then that effect of the animation will be there. Right now this guy is just walking around. So now both the cards are on the ground, on the table rather, and if this one comes back at the right time, so that should work out. But this one refuses to come back. Yeah, so now he's back and the size is again so it will take some tinkering around, but this should be the basic gameplay to begin with.